This prawn stir-fry recipe is not only easy to prepare but takes less than 10 minutes to make. This is a must-try recipe when you want to make something delicious but do not want to spend too much time in the kitchen. Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Start by marinating the prawns, for which I took medium-sized prawns or shrimp depending on how you want to call it. In it I added cornflour, little bit of oil, soy sauce and little bit of sugar to get that caramelization while frying. Mix everything and leave it aside while you do your other prep work. Next we will make the sauce. In a clean bowl, add light soy sauce, dark soy sauce for that deep color, tomato ketchup and red chili sauce. I also like adding some sugar to balance the flavor and little bit of water. Mix well and the sauce is ready. Coming to the vegetables, I had this one and only sad looking green capsicum left in my fridge. If you have any sad looking vegetables that had been sitting in the fridge for quite a while, then stir frying them is a good idea. For a stir fry recipe, all your vegetables must be more or less of the same size and thickness. Here you go, my green capsicum, onions and garlic are all ready to dive into the wok. I will be even using the greens of green onions. You can even use coriander leaves if green onions are unavailable at your place. You just need to add some bit of freshness at the very end. So add whatever herb or greens that you like. I also need black peppercorns. I like to grind them coarsely. Heat a wok over high heat. For stir-fry recipes, you need a very high heat. Once the oil starts to smoke, add the onions, garlic, and green bell peppers. Sprinkle a pinch of salt, but remember not to add too much as the sauce is already salty. Stir for about 2 minutes, then move the vegetables to one side and make some space for the prawns. Prawns in. Spread them out so that each one of them gets the maximum heat from the surface of the pan. And now my friends, just for a minute, resist all your temptation from stirring the prawns. After a minute, now you can stir them. Prawns are very delicate and take very less time to get cooked. So please do not keep on stirring thinking they are not yet cooked. If you overcook them, then they will be tasting like shoestrings. I mean, who wants to eat prawns that have become leathery and tasteless? Add the spring onions. Then the crushed black pepper. Now again make some space, this time for the sauce. Stir the sauce before adding to the pan. Let it come to a vigorous boil on medium-high heat. Now slide back in everything and mix with that delicious sauce. Again, add some green onions on top for that freshness and serve with a bowl of hot steamed rice. Easy, quick, and delicious that looks like you have done a lot but takes less than 10 minutes to prepare. Please pop down those comments below or any questions regarding the recipe. This is Bumbi and thanks for joining me. Please stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.